Hey guys, Joe Mundell here from Sonicu. I want to take a moment and go through a couple of features on our Sonic Cloud platform that are designed for our FDA 21 CFR Part 11 clients. In other words, clients who need to adhere to that. And I want to walk through, as part of our premium subscription, a couple of those features for you that help accomplish this. So the first thing I want to highlight here is the reporting, review, and approval process that's enabled with the premium subscription of Sonic Cloud. And this allows you to put a workflow in place where you can have people review monthly logs and then have the approval of those logs kept here. You don't have to have 3-ring binders and paper and download reports and print them out. It can all be done here, and I'll show you an example. I can look at recent reports. Let me just pull one up here that has recently been reviewed. I can review this report. I'll pull it up, and it's showing me both that report, but also a history of what's going on with that report. If I want to look and see, this is a little small, but I can blow this up here if I need to. And so you can go through and say, okay, it was reviewed by this person, etc. Easily can mimic whatever workflow you're looking for. But if I am the approver, I can go in and I can say, sign this report as an approver. I can review that report, open it up in another screen. I can certainly go in and type in my approval comments, and I'll just type in test here since we're just kind of doing a demo of this, and sign this as an approver. Now, the next function or feature that I want to bring to your attention is what we call our enhanced confirmation, and that allows all users to have a PIN assigned to them. So you have a PIN, so when you're logged in as a user and you go to make a change or to do an approval or anything that needs to be noted in the system, in addition to logging into the system, you have to enter your PIN number. So this helps our clients achieve that FDA CFR 21 Part 11 compliance that they need to prove. So just a couple of features here, both the FDA package that we offer as part of our premium around approval and review of reports, and then kind of the enhanced confirmation. We think that based on the voice of customer we've received, this really helps, especially those labs that are beholden to CAP or anyone with a quality management system where the FDA might come in and inspect. This is just that extra layer included with our premium subscription. I hope that helps, and thank you for being a Sonicu customer.